Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're in the kitchen. We're going to make a lasagna type dish called Noodle Casserole. Will this be your new favorite pasta dish? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Okay, so here's the ingredients for today's meal. We've got 2 onions. We've got 3 cans of tomato sauce, a pound of ground beef. We've got some Philadelphia cream cheese, some sour cream, some sharp cheddar cheese, and some egg noodles. And that'll be what we use today to make noodle casserole. We'll dice the first onion. This will go in the ground beef. The second onion will be blended with the cream cheese and the sour cream. Okay, now we're gonna start browning the hamburger. Ground beef, as they call it. Get started and put some water in the pot for the noodles. Turn that up to high. Season our ground beef with a little garlic and herb, a little bit of pepper. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. Add the chopped onions. Make sure to really break up your ground beef. Okay, we've drained the hamburger, and now we're going to add the 3 cans of tomato sauce. Now you just let that simmer. We add our egg noodles to our boiling water. We'll check the noodles in about 7 minutes. We'll want them al dente and they'll finish cooking in the oven. We're going to put 1½ of these 8-ounce bricks of Philadelphia cream cheese, a little over ½ a cup of sour cream. And now we're going to mix the sour cream and the onions and the cream cheese in a bowl. We'll get this smooth enough to spread. It should end up with the consistency of about cottage cheese. And we're running cold water on the pasta to stop the cooking process. Okay, we've drained the noodles and made sure there's no excess water. Now we're going to layer. We do a layer of noodles, then a layer of the hamburger mixture, and then a layer of the cream cheese mixture. You're going to do 2 layers, so you want to use about half on each layer. Okay, now we'll do the hamburger mixture. Again, using about half of it. Kind of spread that around, thin it out, and cover as much of the noodles as possible. Okay, and then we're going to spoon in the cream cheese and sour cream and onion mixture. You'll do 2 layers with this one also. Keep in mind, if someone in your family doesn't like onions, you can just omit that from the hamburger and the cream cheese. Okay, then you start your second layer. Another layer of noodles. Okay, once you get your second layer of noodles, go back with more hamburger. Okay, and the last layer of your cream cheese mixture. Okay, so there we go. It should look something like that. And the next thing we do is top it with cheese. We've got our oven preheating to 375. We're going to cook it between 30 to 45 minutes till the cheese starts to brown.
And it's bubbly.
And it starts to get bubbly. Once you try this recipe, please come back to the video and leave a comment and let me know how you and your family liked it. Let's get that spread out. We'll be pairing our noodle casserole with garlic Texas toast. That hits you right in the face. Our oven cooks a little slow, so be sure to check yours after about 30 minutes. It takes ours a little longer than most. Okay, here we go, out of the oven. Noodle casserole. Cheese is nice and starting to brown around the edges. Everything looks good. Bread's done. So we're gonna get a spoon. Dip a little bit of this out. There we go. That is noodle casserole. Here's a little bit of our garlic bread. And we're all done. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.